Hey! Welcome to my channel. Shh, okay?
You just need to be like short and sweet, right to the point.
I'm short and sweet, honey. Hey! Welcome to my channel. My name is Little Boy, and today I'm gonna change your life, okay? 4 simple hacks that's gonna make your filmmaking life easier. Life changer. Let's go. The first thing, look at this. Small, compact, and doesn't hang. Doesn't bother nobody. If you're in the airplane, coffee shop, you don't have things hanging around, okay? Make sure you buy a small cord, a small cable for your hard drive. When you buy a hard drive, it comes with long cable that is always like hanging on the side of your computer when you go to edit. That's not a part of your camera bag anymore, okay? Because you're gonna switch to this little one. Easy. Okay? You're welcome. Velcro. Yes, Velcro is a life changer. You just buy one of those. How much was this? 10 bucks? I don't even know. You just buy like one roll, 10 feet. It's just for your lifetime, okay? Tells you here, you clean, you cut, you peel, you stick, you done. Hey, where are you gonna put this? I don't know. One in your hard drive, and you're gonna put on the back of your computer. You just open, and it's not gonna be hanging. Look at that. You save space, and you change lives. You're welcome. Cable organizer, okay? Nothing better than go to look for a cable, some cord, some headphones, a hard drive, or whatever you have. Everything is here. It's the best thing that you're gonna find on Amazon. It's cheap, so much cleaner, so much nicer, and it's just life changer. I found out on my own, okay?
I told you about it. I got it on Amazon 2 years before you.
You're welcome. And this label maker I bought 10 years ago.
Hey,
What?
I bought that 10 years ago and gave it to you this year.
See, it's a life changer, okay? I always used to do like these random stickers with paper. Then I used to write,
I am Little Boy.
and then put like a tape on top of the paper and stick on my things, and it looks horrible. But that's how I had back in the days, you know, 2 weeks ago. It's so handy, so nice. So we know what is what or who is who. Let me show you. You're gonna have your small cable and you're gonna put whatever you want, and you're gonna know, you're gonna recognize everything. Your camera, your lens, all your equipment. You're not gonna lose anything. If someone tried to steal or switch with you, you know. Like my girlfriend, she always steal my things, you know? So I need to make sure that I steal her label maker. What?
Okay.
You're welcome. Ha! Those 4 little hacks changed my life. Write it down. Let me know in the comment down below. What are your hacks and tips for filmmaking? Or what are those things that change your life? I would like to know. That's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you are into cinematography, editing, all these good things, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment down below. Give me a like. Let's try to get how many likes?
30.
30, okay? Let's get 30 likes to this video by 2022. Let's go. Let's keep learning. Let's keep improving for 2020. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.